In this video, we will show you how to update your Android application on Google Play Console. As you can see here, we have a notification to update the API level. Okay. Then, if you want to update your apps to meet these requirements, you can go to your application dashboard and go to Test and Release. And choose Production here. And after that, you can create new release. Okay. If you accidentally creating a new release, okay, but you close this browser, for example, if you back, you can see you cannot create new release here because the button is disabled. To create a new release, you can discard your current draft release. Go to here, okay, go to this menu, and in here you can see this is your draft. You can click the arrow and you can discard this draft. Okay, so if you accidentally click that button, you can just click create new release now. Just click here, and in here you need to prepare your newest Android app bundles. Okay, you can see we can upload the application. We already prepared it, and this is for the bundle. Okay, we can upload the application here. Leaving this page will cancel your upload. Please wait until it's completed. Okay, we can add the details after that and we can submit new release. Okay, we wait for this. Okay, release name, this is so you can identify the release and isn't show to user on Google Play. Okay, you can see now it's completed the uploaded. Okay, you can see the new version is 5 and with new version 1.4. AP levels is 24 plus. Okay, you can see now our AP level is higher. And this is the release name, and we can add the release note, for example, fix for AP levels. Okay, and the second we can fix or new splash screen. Okay, and this is for our newest release. You can add the release name also, but we can leave it by default because after the upload is completed, it will fill automatically. Okay, this is very easy, and we can just click next after that. And in here you can see the warning. This app bundle contain native code, and if not upload the bug symbols, we can recommend, and we can just leave it. Okay, because this is just warning, not error. Okay, and the phone, tablet, TV. Okay, and release delivery size for new install is 8 megabytes. Almost done here. We can just click save. After we click save, you can see we can go to the publishing overview. Just go to overview here. Okay, in here we can waiting until the running checks is completed, up to 14 minutes remaining. Okay, we can wait until this checking is done. Now after review process is completed, we can click submit one change for review for the last step to update our existing apps. We can just click here and send change for review. Now we need just to wait until our application is updated. Okay, and that's the tutorial how to update our existing apps on Google Play Console for developer. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.